Hey, this is Chantel from WTI. Owning a pair of rain boots is a must when you live in the South. And I absolutely love my hunter boots. I wear them year round. These boots are 100% waterproof, so they keep my feet completely dry. They're made from a very durable rubber and have great tread, so I'm able to wear them in rain, snow, and even on the river when I'm fly fishing. They're super easy to slide on and protect my feet no matter what I'm doing. Whether it's collecting duck eggs or baby ducks, I'm not going to get anything gross on my feet. And being able to stay dry while I'm hosing down their drinker or feeders is great. I have worn these boots hiking through the snowy mountains of Colorado and through the tick-infested trails of Tennessee, and these boots have kept me safe and comfortable. I have owned these boots for 6 years now, and they have held up perfectly. I definitely recommend hunter boots, and that's my point of view.